Eric here with heatcable.com, and today we've finished up a big project of a brand new roof, copper slip sheet, presidential shingles, but what you don't see is the ice melt system that's hidden inside the roof. Let me tell you more about it. Most people are familiar with heated panel systems or something similar to this where the ice melt system is hidden underneath the metal. You can't see it, you don't have that unsightly look of cables, but one of the problems with a lot of those systems is you can't get to it. What happens when the cable runs its life or needs to be repaired? One of my favorite features about this system is how serviceable it is over time. You don't have to tear your roof off, you don't have to dig into the roof to get to the system. This access plate mounts right underneath the drip edge. When you remove it, you can get into the system and take everything out. So that way, everything can be replaced without tampering with the roof. Now I can simply open this cavity up by removing the access plate, and now I can get to my ice melt system inside. Once the cartridge plate's been pulled out, I can actually pull the heat cable out and service the cable as needed, whether I replace the whole thing or if I just need to do a repair. Putting the cable back in the system when you're ready to replace it is as easy as pushing the cable up into the pocket that it needs to go in. You can also utilize one of the cartridge plates itself as a tool and push that cable further up into the pocket, depending on how deep you have to go. This ice melt system can be installed with any metal roof system. It doesn't have to be copper. It can be steel, it can be aluminum, it can be anything that allows for the cavity for these plates to be removed in and out. The thermal cartridge can be installed in a variety of ways and places on a roof. This is a very unique area where we have the install of the thermal cartridge coming from this far edge, coming in diagonally. And so it can still be removed as long as your anchor points for the roof standing seam hits your fixed plate system. Other areas like this, we have our standing seam coming vertical as it should, but the cartridge system comes in from the side. So unique areas can accommodate the thermal cartridge if planned well and designed right. With this kind of system, why would you go with anything else?